What do YouTube? I have the last piece to install the underglow right in front of me. Apparently it came Saturday and I didn't know. I looked at the package and I'm like, that ain't mine. Then I just went to Wawa and came back and the package was in front of my house this time, in front of my door. And then I looked at it again, it said my name. I said, what the heck, it didn't say my name yesterday when I got off work, or early this morning when I got off work. So, this is the package, this last piece. Make this real quick and simple. I think it is, I could be wrong, I don't know, but I'm pretty sure this is the size of what I need, or what I'm missing. Oh, yeah. This is the last piece, I believe. Yeah, this is the last piece. Hardware again, self-taps. I don't know if I'm using self-taps. I might. Shift big pause. And then I can get rid of all these boxes now. I just have the boxes laying around. I can get rid of them. Hold on. I am missing a piece. Maybe that wasn't a part of the. It should have been. Now I'm curious. And get the. I'm missing pieces, I believe. But this is the front lip. Same style as the what the heck? Why is it stuck? Look at the tape, the 3M tape, or fake 3M tape. It's the same style as the side skirts, as you see. Carbon. Comes in 3 pieces. Underglow definitely will be going on this for sure. Probably in between. I don't know if you can see this. Probably like put it right on here, line it up with the other pieces, and then this is supposed to go. See, this is supposed to go in the front too, but I don't know how. It goes on this one. Yeah, it goes on this one. This is the middle part. So this goes on this part, like, is it? Might be this way. Could be wrong. It's not that way. Why nobody say nothing? Come on. This dumb thing. Don't have it set up. Silly. There you go. It goes like this. This is not staying red. I'm letting y'all know that right now. This is not staying red. I don't like red on the car. It's not my theme. So either I'm going to spray paint it the color that I want, or I might even just leave it off for real. Might not, I'm not sure, but definitely the underglow will probably go like right underneath this drum. it will only make sense if I do that. So it will look like fell off. Now this side fell off again. Alright. Come on. Alright, so I can't hold it, but it looks like this. This is what it fully connected. It's not connected because it needs screws. That's what it came with. That's what it'll look like. Look pretty clean, pretty clean, pretty clean. So yeah, that was the last part. That's all I was waiting for. The next video will be installing the underglow, side skirts, rear skirts too. These are the rear bumper skirts right here. Those, and front lip and underglow, all in one video. I do have another product coming, but it's not a car part. It's maintenance for the car. So I will be making a review about that product too within the next 2 videos. But yeah, this is a little stupid quick unboxing video. Wasn't expecting it. It said it was going to arrive Wednesday. Came Saturday apparently, and I wasn't paying attention. So yeah, hope y'all enjoyed this video, this quick little minute video. See y'all in the next one, and I'm out.